Alright, so today I'll be making a video on how to remove your hood, which is really simple. I believe it's 4 bolts. Let me pop this hood up, put the latch real quick. Okay, so this can be helpful if you want to remove your hood. Maybe it's just ugly and you found a better one, or maybe you just want to replace it. I don't know. So it's really simple. I'll be making this video in like a minute or two. So all you're gonna do is remove that bolt. I believe it's a 12 millimeter. That one, the same thing on the other side. Those 2 bolts in your hood should be off. It'll be helpful to have 2 people, but you can realistically do it with one. And then when you're gonna put it on, of course, you're gonna line it up with this latch right here to the new hood, or yeah, to your new hood, and just put them back in. And that's it. Hopefully it helped someone, and if it did, consider subscribing. Got a few more things that I want to do to Celica. I'll be changing the motor pretty soon, maybe during summer, because it's cold as shit right now, because this one has rotten out. But yeah, if it helps, consider subscribing. Thank you.